Autism Tree has been serving one family at a time for 20 years. And now we have focused our process into 4 core values: embrace, connect, empower, and create. And we embrace every family with love and acceptance.
Before Autism Tree, we felt lost. We kind of felt on an island of our own, and we didn't have anyone that really understood us. Whenever we've gone to events, he feels embraced. He feels like he's at home, and his guard goes down, and he's himself.
We connect them to a community of resources.
I can remember how confusing it can feel and overwhelming, and to be able to say to a parent, you know, I've been there, you're not alone, and help a parent see the value of who their kid is beyond the word autism.
We empower them to create the best version of a future for their child.
Music really does help me to express myself. Felt empowered when I was a liaison in the San Diego Symphony.
And create organic relationships, meaningful opportunities, and lasting friendships.
Part of my love and excitement over, Autism Tree is, you create this massive umbrella where all these like-minded people, all these wonderful kids who all kind of have a similar but different approach, and give them an opportunity to, explore and enjoy.
The idea of the navigating neurodiversity is exactly for those families that are in crisis position, is to have someone say and help prioritize and say, to help your child, do this first, because this will unlock these resources.
And we connect them with ABA providers, mental health providers, family counseling that might help them as a family. We also look at their IEP and the services that they're getting from the school to ensure that they're adequate. IHSS that helps families who a parent has to stay home and give up their career.
Because they embrace every family that comes to them, that's why they're so loved and why they're important to families in San Diego.